So meet Carl the containment bot. So what is a containment bot exactly? The purpose of this bot is to not only deliver exceptional self-service to your customers, but reduce the number of interactions that have to get to or transfer to a human agent in the contact center. The containment bot is going to provide personalized answers on the customer's device and channel of choice. To be effective, there's really two critical capabilities this bot needs. First, they need to be able to provide great answers to a variety of questions. When the customer asks them, they need to be personalized, accurate responses. And second, equally important, is that it's got to be easy for the business users to train this bot. So the bots are in the engagement data hub, the gym. Well, they need personal trainers as well, and that's what the business users do here. They're going to be able to easily extend the bot's capabilities to answer more and more questions across more and more channels without having to write a bunch of code. So let's take a look at this in action. We'll start here with a bot helping me book a room on a website. I've gone to the website, I've had a few questions, and asked if there's a pool, got a great response about the exact hotel I'm booking. So tell me at the Bellagio, there's a great pool outside, it's fantastic. And instead of merely providing that rote answer, it goes further with contextually relevant options, asking me interested in amenities and wanting to book a room and look into my reward status.
So this bot is extremely smart. Not only does it understand your questions, but it's actually personalizing the responses. So you asked it for room rates and it answered, but it knew your status level. And it looks like this bot actually goes beyond just answering questions. It's helping you complete tasks as well, like booking a room. This bot is not only helpful, but it's proactive and transactional.
Now, of course, bots can't answer every question. There's always going to be something they haven't learned about yet. That's okay. So here, for example, I asked about changing my checkout date and about charging stations for my electric car. Right? The bot answered the checkout part perfectly, but missed the part about the EV charging station. Fortunately, bots are eager to learn. They want to contain interactions. They want to help their human colleagues.
Of course, it's not a problem because we can teach the bot using engagement data as our guide. So a Verint bot can be easily trained. You send them to the gym and they can be trained fast. So let's take a look at how we teach this bot so that the next time the customer has questions about EV charging, the containment bot can jump into action. Now, the first thing a business user needs to understand is what bot interactions are successful and where they need assistance, what works, what doesn't. So the dashboard here shows all sorts of real-time conversational analytics at a glance, how your containment bot has succeeded and where it needs help. It shows top metrics like intents, containment levels, and even bot success per channel. So this bot can be used across all channels, voice, social messaging, mobile apps, and more, saving time when your customers are on the channels they choose to interact with your brand on. Now, we see here that you could even drill down into individual interactions to see specifically where the bot needs training, to discover gaps in the bot's knowledge, and then jump into the training process. The EV charger input doesn't have a mapped intent yet, or a response, so let's investigate a bit further.
So now that we know we need a new intent, a new topic that the bot needs to be able to respond to, I can easily create one with this drag and drop interface. No coding, just a quick change to the flow. And one of the really cool things here is that can be rolled out to all channels simultaneously. So now, no matter how a customer chooses to ask this question, could be in an IVR, could be in an IVA, could be on the website, could be any device they have, could be in WhatsApp channels, doesn't matter. This new intent is there. They can answer the question about the EV chargers.
So what I'm seeing here are not only ways to identify when the bots need more training, but also an easy-to-use interface that allows you to do this. No more waiting for a programmer to recode the bot, but a fast, effective way to inject new smarts directly into the bot based on actionable data. So now let's jump back over to the customer experience and see what happens once the bot's received its training.
So I go back to the bot, re-ask my question about EV charging and get an immediate answer since this new intent's been rolled out.
The bot immediately impacts the containment level of the organization and improves the customer experience. Fast, effortless experiences. That's what the containment bot delivers.